You've built a perfect Excel spreadsheet. Clean tables, organized data, professional layout. But the moment you share it, everything breaks. Columns shift, rows misalign, and it looks like a complete mess on someone else's screen. What if you could convert your Excel file into a clean, perfectly formatted PDF in seconds? Free, online, zero hassle. That's exactly what I'm showing you today. Let's go. Here's a problem every office worker, student, and freelancer knows too well. You spend time building a detailed Excel spreadsheet, data tables, formulas, reports, invoices. You send it to someone and immediately get a message back saying it looks broken on their end. Different Excel versions display things differently. Some people don't even have Excel installed. And when you try printing directly from Excel, columns get cut off, tables split across pages, and the whole thing looks unprofessional. The solution is simple. Convert it to PDF first. A PDF looks identical on every device, every screen, every printer. No formatting surprises, no broken layouts, just clean, fixed output every time. And VelaPDF makes that conversion instant and free. The tool that solves this perfectly is VelaPDF's Excel to PDF converter. It's a free, fully online tool that reads your Excel file, whether it's XLS or XLSX format, and converts it into a clean, professionally formatted PDF that preserves your table structure exactly. No Microsoft Office required, no installation, no account. Just open VelaPDF, upload your spreadsheet, and your PDF is ready in seconds.
Step-by-step demo. Let me show you the complete process right now. Step 1. Go to VelaPDF.com. Link is in the description. Select the Excel to PDF tool. Click Upload File and choose your XLS or XLSX spreadsheet from your device. It uploads quickly regardless of file size. Step 2. Once uploaded, VelaPDF instantly reads your entire spreadsheet, all your tables, data, formatting, and structure. Step 3. Hit the Convert button. Step 4. Your print-ready PDF is now done. Click Download and it saves straight to your device. Perfectly formatted, professionally presented, and ready to share with anyone. 4 steps, under 60 seconds. No Excel required on either end. No formatting surprises. Just a clean, perfect PDF every time. General benefits. 5 reasons VelaPDF is the best tool for this job. Preserves formatting perfectly. Tables, columns, borders, merged cells, everything stays exactly as you built it. Fast conversion. Seconds, not minutes. Upload, convert, download, done. No software required. No Excel, no Office subscription, no installation. Just your browser. Perfect for reports and data sharing. Send invoices, financial reports, and data sheets as PDFs that look professional on any device. Works online anytime. Mobile, desktop, tablet, VelaPDF runs in any browser, anywhere.
Perfect for office professionals sharing financial reports and invoices. Stop sending broken Excel files. Freelancers sending client proposals. Anyone who needs their Excel data to look professional and consistent on every device, every time. Stop sending broken Excel files. Go to VelaPDF.com right now. Link is in the description. Upload your spreadsheet and have a clean, professional PDF in under a minute. Completely free. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more free tool tutorials. See you in the next one.